morning and Assalamu alaikum class 2. Hope you all are fine. Washing hands, taking care of your personal hygiene and staying safe at home. Okay, let's start with English work. The book is My English Book 2. Open page number 31. Have you opened page number 31? Okay, look at the topic. The topic is sound words. Okay students, these words are C sound words basically, but we will pronounce them as sound words. These are C words. When letter C, when letter C join with some other letter, they make a sound of S. Okay, can anyone tell what are sound words? Okay, can anyone guess which word is it? Yes, it is fence. Very nice. It is fence. Okay, let me tell you the spelling of fence. 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 When letter C and letter E join together, they become friends. They make a sound of S. They make a sound of S as in snake. जैसा कि snake का sound होता है S, वैसे ही CE S का sound pronounce करते हैं हम उसे FENCE fence. Okay students, क्या आप मुझे कोई और एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं? Well done. Let me give you another example. Dance. Dance. D-A-N-C-E. Dance. When letter C and E join together, they make a sound of S. Dance. Dance. Very nice. Okay, let me tell you, when C and I, they both join together, they also make a sound of S. S as in spoon. S. The sound is S, but the letter is C. When C and I join together, they make a sound of S. Can you tell me any example? Okay, let's take a look over here. What is it? Can anyone tell what is it? Very nice. It is a circle. What is it? It is a circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. What is it? Circle. Very nice. Let me give you another example with CI words. What is it? Can anyone tell what is it? What is it? City. Very nice. It is city. C-I-T-Y. City. What is it? City. When C and I are joining together, they are becoming friends. They are making a sound of S. They are making a sound of S, S as S. C-I-T-Y. City. Well done. Okay, let me tell you, when S and C join together, they also make a sound of S. They make a sound of S. Repeat after me. They make a sound of S, S as in spoon. S as in spoon. But remember, these are not S sound words. These are C sound words. These are C sound words. When C is joining with some other letter, it is making a sound of S. Okay, let's talk about S and C words. Can anyone tell any word from S and C? Can anyone guess? Very nice. Let me tell you. Here is a picture. Can you tell me what is it? Can you guess? Very nice. It is scent. What is it? Scent. S-C-E-N-T. Scent. S-C-E-N-T. Scent. When sir and k, s and c join together, they make a sound of sir. They make a sound of sir. S-C-E-N-T. Scent. Very nice. Can anyone guess any other word from S and C? Okay. I'm telling you again. What is it? Can anyone guess what is it? Scissor. S-C-I-S-S-O-R. Scissor. What is it? Scissor. Do you have scissors at home? Very nice. What is it? Scissor. S-C-I-S-S-O-R. Scissor. Okay students, we are done with page number 31. Let's talk about some other examples. Here is a group of objects. Can you tell me which object start with soft sir words? Think about it. Very nice. What is it? Circle. What is it? Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Here is another group of objects. You have to choose one word starting from sir sound word. Soft sir word. Can you guess? Excellent. What is it? Rice. What is it? Rice. R-I-C-E. Rice. Do you like rice? Yummy. I love rice. I love to eat rice. Very nice. Okay. Hope you all enjoyed the lesson. If you want to watch the lesson again, you can replay the video and subscribe our channel, which is The Country School Pakistan, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.